When the farm boy goes to America, guess where he will go? Of course, the farm. He's my friend Clem. We've been friends for almost 20 years now.
Yeah.
He started breeding chicken and now he has shifted into breeding goats. And look at his goats. And I'm proud to declare that some of these goats are actually progenies of the first goats that I gave to Clem to help him out in starting a dairy farm. So right now we are in Klamath Falls, Oregon, and look at how huge these goats are. Hindi po ito ordinaryong kambing. So Jim, what do you have here? What breeds do you have here?
There's Nubians and La Manchas and the Greys.
And the half breeds.
Yep.
So which lines produce a lot of milk?
Oh, they both do.
So this is mainly dairy lines, right?
Yeah.
And your Nubians are mainly 6M Galaxy. And your La Mancha?
La Mancha, Lucky Star,
And
Rockin'
CV.
And then Gold Plate in the Nubians too.
Gold weight.
Yep.
Okay, so you have two lines of Nubians, 6M Galaxy and Gold weight. Okay, don't eat my towel. And for your La Mancha, you have Lucky Star and
Rockin' TV.
Rockin' TV. How's that, Winchell? Okay. So my dear friends, tingnan niyo po ito kung gaano kagaganda itong mga kambing na ito. These are really huge goats. No. Some of these are actually already in the Philippines and in my farm. And if you want to get these lines, call me. I can ask my friend to share with you some of these wonderful goat genetics that you could only find being produced by a master breeder, Clem. So Jim, can we do some instructional video on how to raise goats starting tomorrow?
Yeah, we can.
How to breed, how to feed the baby goats. So Winchell, tingnan mo kung gaano kaganda yung background na yun. And look at these goats. Hindi lang po ito, meron pa doon sa kabila. Meron pa doon sa kabilang barn. Ang problema nito, kinakain pati tuwalya ko. Okay. So alam ko si Congressman Mark Ojuangco interesado. Ito, Congressman Mark, tingnan mo kung gaano kalalaki ito. These are the goats that you would love to have in Pangasinan. Oh, that's my towel. That's a picture on me.
We're getting ready to go out.
Be careful, be careful. Alright. So, okay. So, from Klamath Falls, Oregon, about 6 hours away from San Francisco, I'm with Winchell Campos and, of course, my friend, Clem.